SEMrush is a great tool that can help you find the best keywords to go after in just about any niche. In this video, we will see just how to go about using SEMrush to find great keywords. Let's suppose you want to build a site about golf balls. The first thing you would want to do is search Google for golf balls. Now, let's take the site ranking at the first position, golfballs.com. In this case, let's perform organic research on this site using SEMrush. Enter the URL in this text box and choose Organic Research. Now, SEMrush gives you a list of keywords from the site that are ranking in positions 1 to 100 of Google. In this case, there are a total of 19,165 keywords. The estimated value of traffic to this site from these keywords is more than $70,000 a month, and the estimated traffic to this site is around 42,600 visitors a month. Now, take a moment to appreciate the power of this tool. Someone else put in all the hard work over several months or even years, found really good keywords to go after in their niche. They put in a lot of time, effort, and money and built a site that makes a lot of money every year. And within a couple of minutes, you are getting a list with all of their best keywords without having to put in a thousandth of the effort they put in to doing keyword research. How powerful can that be? There are a lot of keywords here, too many in fact, but we are looking mainly for keywords that start with best and end in reviews and have a search volume between 80 to 500 searches a month. So, let's set the filters now. We now have a list of 85 keywords in this list. That's a lot of good keywords for hardly any work. Let's export this list as a CSV. Okay, here's the CSV. We do not need so many columns. Let's delete the columns we do not need. We only need search volume and the keywords column. Now, let's add a new column, keyword difficulty. We now need to get the keyword difficulty score from Keyword Revealer for each of these keywords and populate the keyword difficulty column with those values. SEMrush also gives an estimate of keyword difficulty, but we are not using the number SEMrush gives us. Keyword Revealer's estimate seems a lot more accurate. Let's evaluate the keyword difficulty of each of these keywords. Okay, so the difficulty score of this keyword is 27. Likewise, we need to evaluate the difficulty score for each of these keywords and enter the values here. You would want to note that this is the list we prepared using just one result from the top 10. We used just this one site and got 85 keywords. You can repeat the same procedure with other sites in the top 10 or top 20 and end up with a massive list of easy keywords. This way, we will end up with a lot of easy keywords, more than enough to build a 100-page site. And you can build such a list with just a few hours of work.